In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a solenoid valve intake manifold runner controller, which is sitting right here. It's actually located right over here behind these connectors. Let's begin. First, take off this cover just so that it's out of the way, so you can access this area. Then unplug this and position it out of the way. Then unclip this clip right here by pulling it like this. And take this out just so that it's out of the way. Next, unplug this one and kind of also adjust it so it's out of the way. Unplug the connectors, this one and this one, and move them out of the way. Next, you want to unplug this clip using a clip removal tool. I have links in the description below. Just like that. Now this thing is held in place in 4 places by a torque screw. There's one right there, there's one behind. So I'm gonna see if I can try to get in there and unscrew them. I ended up taking off this box cover right here just so I can kind of slide it out. So now I'm carefully gonna unplug these and plug them into the new one.
Papa, can you get out the door out of me? Papa, Ben was trying to climb on the house.
There's this clip.
Ben was trying. What? You say what? What? Dada! You're dirty because I'm trying to draw the house.
So position it back to where it was. Screw in all the 4 screws. Put the connectors back in its place. Here. This one's here. Then put back the clip that you took out here. Plug that back in. Open this guy. Put that back in. Clip this guy. And plug this guy back in. Just like that. Put this cover back in. And put this cover back in. And then you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like, comment.